Hi everyone. S-like superior. Here we have used some of our very fine parts, single swing arm, monoblock wheels in 21 and 23 inches and large brake discs give this custom bike a completely new image. Combined with the handmade aluminum parts like tank and rear fender, you could even talk about art on wheels. Including riding fun. The mega flagship with parts from our GP racing series. At the front, the TB triple clamps with cutouts and contrast cut-in racing look from our CNC production catch the eye. They take the original instruments and are complemented by the chic, illuminated Rebuffini fittings, which are very modern and super user-friendly. In the DLC-coated fork we use a new shock system from Bitubo, which allows perfect adjustment of rebound and compression. By using the original speedometer and the original electrics, the bike remains quite normal, can bus capable, and the functions of the series vehicle can still be used. And this type of conversion, of course, the wheels and tires are particularly important. For several years, Metzeler exclusively manufactures tires for our needs. After the ME88 and the 888, ME888, it is a fat cruise tech that we pull onto our 9 to 21 inch monoblock wheel. This wheel, just like the front one, 4 to 23 inches, was milled from solid aluminium and optimized for weight in the process. The resulting savings in unsprung mass are immediately noticeable when driving. And it's chic, too. The special design allows us to run the wheel design right into the rim flange and close to the hub in the middle. Not only in terms of chassis technology is the best just good enough, for example, such aluminum tanks and rear parts are created in elaborate manual work from tens of individual parts. This artistic work is particularly evident on the rear end, which is welded to the frame and appears to be cast from one piece. Cruise Design has again immortalized itself on the paint parts and visually reinforced the shape of our parts with its color design. Is there a better color than a rich gold for a custom bike in this league? Hardly. We have therefore also chosen this color for the monoblock wheels and the fork. As you know, we attach great importance to the drivability of our custom bikes. That you are safe on the road with the GPS 2.0 and can also have a lot of fun riding. Of course, our master Tim convinced himself before the handover to the customer. Thanks for watching.